Porsche has just made one of the biggest changes in its racing history. For years, the GT4 race car was based on the Cayman. That chapter is officially over. This is the all-new 2027 Porsche 911 GT4 R. For the very first time, Porsche has built its GT4 customer race car on the legendary 911 platform. It brings a brand new body, more power, better aerodynamics, improved safety, and technology developed for serious endurance racing. Here's everything you need to know. For nearly a decade, Porsche's GT4 customer race cars were based on the 718 Cayman. Those cars won countless championships around the world. But Porsche wanted to take customer racing to the next level. So engineers started with the current 911 platform and developed an entirely new race car from the ground up. This isn't simply a road-going 911 with racing stickers. Almost every component has been redesigned specifically for GT4 competition. The goal was simple: build a race car that's faster, more reliable, easier to maintain, and capable of competing in GT4 championships across the world. At first glance, the car looks similar to the road-going 911 GT3, but almost every body panel is completely new. The front bumper features much larger cooling openings for the brakes and radiator. The front fenders are significantly wider to accommodate larger racing tires. They also include extraction vents that remove hot air trapped inside the wheel wells. The hood has also been completely redesigned. Instead of using the road car's vent layout, Porsche moved the cooling openings farther back. A built-in NACA duct channels fresh air directly into the cockpit ventilation system. Even the windshield uses a single center-mounted racing wiper to reduce weight and improve visibility during endurance races. Every change has one purpose: performance. Move to the side and the differences become even more obvious. The side skirts have been reshaped to improve airflow underneath the car. Although the doors look similar to the production model, they're made from natural fiber reinforced plastic. This material is lighter than steel while remaining incredibly strong. Inside the doors, Porsche installed FIA-approved impact foam for additional driver protection. The side windows also feature a quick-release system. If an accident happens, emergency crews can remove the window within seconds. One feature many people will never notice is located on the roof. There's a dedicated rescue hatch directly above the driver's seat. If the doors become blocked after a crash, rescue teams can safely extract the driver through the roof. That's the kind of engineering expected from a professional race car. Weight reduction was another major priority. The windshield, side windows, and rear window are all made from lightweight polycarbonate instead of glass. The rear quarter windows include built-in air channels that improve cockpit ventilation. Even the rear fenders have additional cooling vents to manage temperatures during long endurance races. Now let's talk about what's behind the driver. The new GT4 R uses a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six boxer engine. It produces up to 520 horsepower. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a 6-speed sequential racing gearbox. Unlike a traditional manual transmission, the sequential gearbox delivers lightning-fast shifts while improving reliability during long races. As with every GT4 race car, final performance will be balanced through FIA balance of performance regulations. That allows Porsche to compete fairly against rivals from BMW, Mercedes-AMG, Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, Aston Martin, and McLaren. The rear of the car has also received major upgrades. The swan-neck mounted rear wing may look familiar, but it's fully adjustable for different racetracks. Teams can increase or reduce downforce depending on circuit requirements. The engine cover features larger cooling openings to improve airflow. Below it, a redesigned ducktail spoiler works together with the rear diffuser to generate more stability without unnecessary drag. The rear bumper also includes additional vents that improve cooling and rear underbody airflow. One small detail is especially important during wet races. Mounted below the Porsche logo is an FIA rain light. It flashes brightly through heavy spray, making the car much easier for following drivers to see. Porsche developed the 911 GT4 R for customer racing teams around the world. It will compete in championships including IMSA, Michelin Pilot Challenge, GT4 America, the GT4 European Series, and many other FIA GT4 championships. Customer deliveries are expected before the 2027 racing season begins. In the United States, pricing starts at approximately $375,500. That makes it one of the most advanced customer race cars Porsche has ever built. More importantly, it marks the end of an era. The Cayman has officially stepped aside. The legendary 911 is now Porsche's new GT4 race car. And based on everything Porsche has revealed, customer racing just entered a whole new chapter.